In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty your Google Drive in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to clear up space or just want to start fresh, following these simple steps will help you quickly and efficiently erase everything from your drive. Let's dive in and get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to Google Drive by typing in the URL drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account details here. Make sure to log in with the account associated with the drive you want to clear out. This is your first step towards a clutter-free digital space. Once logged in, take a moment to glance at your files. These are the documents, sheets, photos, or anything else you've stored. To select all of these at once, you can use a handy keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl+A if you're on a Windows device or CMD+A if you're using a Mac. This action highlights and selects all your files for the next step. With all your files selected, you'll want to right-click to bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, choose the option labelled Remove. By doing this, you are essentially moving all your selected files to a temporary holding area known as trash or bin, depending on your region. It's a bit like taking out the garbage but still leaving it on your front step, ready for the final haul to the curb. Now, navigate to the left sidebar of your Google Drive interface. Here you'll see an option for trash, or it might say bin if you're in certain regions. Go ahead and click on that. You'll find all the items you just removed sitting here. Just like your physical trash can at home, this is a temporary storage until you decide to empty it. Finally, you'll see an option at the top of your screen that says Empty Trash. Clicking this will permanently delete everything within this folder. Keep in mind, once you do this, the files are gone for good from your Google Drive, so make sure there's nothing in there that you'll want to recover. After confirming your choice, all those files will be permanently erased, freeing up space on your Google Drive and giving you a clean slate. And there you have it, a straightforward way to empty your Google Drive in just a few minutes. By following these steps, you can maintain a well-organized and efficient cloud storage environment, ensuring that your digital life is as tidy as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in managing your storage more effectively.